After days of presenting evidence, the defense has rested their case in the trial for 3 of the 5 ex-Memphis police officers accused in the murder of Tyre Nichols. This coming after the state rested its case on Wednesday. More than 20 witnesses have taken the stand since this trial began. Day 6 today focused heavily on law enforcement procedure. ABC 24's Lauren Turman joins us from inside 201 Poplar with more on today's testimony. Lauren?
Kevin, there will be no more evidence presented as the defense rested its case after bringing 4 final witnesses to the stand. Now, much of the day's testimony focused on how the ex-officers' training was, and specifically on if they used excessive, unnecessary, or deadly force when dealing with Tyre Nichols. The defense brought in 17 witnesses total, starting today with Don Cameron, a specialist in law enforcement training. He took the stand for most of the day Saturday on behalf of ex-Memphis police officer Demetrius Haley, saying his actions were not excessive or unnecessary, but instead routine with police standards and procedures.
And at that point, all bets are off. I mean, you take them to the ground as quickly as you can, and you try and control them as quickly as you can. Because you don't know whether he was trying to take the officer's gun or if he has a gun of his own, because again, he hasn't been searched.
Prosecutor Paul Hagerman opposed many of Cameron's points, especially when it came to the kind of harsh words used towards Tyre.
But beat that man something different, isn't it?
Well, it may be a way of saying do what you have to get the guy in custody.
Or it may be a way of saying beat that man.
Several additional character witnesses took the stand, all of whom were former or current law enforcement officers, bringing the total to 22 witnesses between the prosecution and defense. Those officers shared their experiences with Justin Smith.
Every time I had a conversation with him, it was very attentive. It wasn't just somebody that was just there to be there. He had an emotional investment in everything that I had to say to him.
Bean, Haley, and Smith all declined to testify, and court adjourned shortly before 4 p.m. Closing arguments and jury instructions will be provided on Monday starting at 9 a.m. And of course, we will be here to bring you all of the latest details. At Shelby County Criminal Court, I'm Lauren Turman.